Why are they not back to the kingdom?
Yes, because we were meant to believe that the village is a next door neighbor in distance. Why are they not back?
Why are you not trusting? And why are you weak-minded? My people are fine. And my son is fine. Nothing will happen to them. No harm shall befall them.
Father, what is the name of the village of that maiden?
Oh, my forefathers. I have actually forgotten the name that maiden mentioned is the name of her village and her kinsmen.
Hey! My husband, you mean you cannot remember the name of the maiden's village?
If you have not noticed, I have a lot that is going on in my head as we speak. But I know that I will remember when I come down. I will sure remember. I want to be left alone. Please.
My king. Hi, Okansije.
Strange things are happening every day, but only the gods knows why it is so. The gods are wiser than human beings.
We have been on this journey. We started this journey before the sun was on our heads. Now the sun is going back to his hiding place. Yet, we have not reached our destination. I am tired. What is going on?
My prince, what can you do to win the heart of the one you love? Do not lose strength. We are almost there.
You keep telling me we are almost there. We are almost the Ubala. His Royal Majesty, my father, must be wherever he is now, including my mother. What is going on in the Ubala?
What whining is this? Are you not a man? Why are you whining like a bee?
How dare you? Who are you to talk to me without respect? I am the crown prince of Otundu Kingdom. You have no right to talk to me without respect. Don't try that next time. Who are you? If you try this next time, I am going to leave you here and go back to my palace.
Prince of Otundu, you have gone beyond return. You are in the land of no return.
What?
The land of the dead. I am not human as you all have been deceived to believe.
Huh?
I am a spirit. Welcome to the land of the dead.
Abam, I told you, my prince. Abam, I told you. Abam, I told you, my prince. What just happened?
My prince, you disappeared
Listen to me, my elders. Beautiful maidens of Otundu. Kuma,
the proud prince of Otundu.
Abam,
my prince.
I want each and every one of you to calm down. I believe Ubala is just doing us a little hide and seek. Just relax your mind. There is nothing wrong.
I am a dead man. What will I tell my wife and my children?
Our ancestors. Would you? I think the ghost has brought us here to punish us for our wickedness.
What are you talking about? What kind of punishment? What kind of wickedness?
Prince of Otundu, I have a confession to make to you and the whole of Otundu community. The young maiden you wanted to get married to is innocent. I was only envious and jealous. I'm sorry, my king, my prince. I'm sorry.
What is he talking about?
I'm talking about Kamala.
Hey!
Ada, so you went ahead with your evil plans against the innocent maiden. Ada, you're so wicked. You're so wicked. Look at what you have brought to us now.
Ekete Kupuleni Ike. Ghosts of our land, why did you allow this wickedness to come upon our lives and our kingdom at large? Hey! I must return. I must return.
Our people say that when the cricket receives a visitor that is bigger than him in his abode, he will always find a way to escape through the exit door. I call those here because it is very clear that the skies have turned red on our kingdom. Peace have actually eluded me as the king. My son, who is the coming king of this kingdom, has gone missing with some members of this clan. This has led to the queen being broken and my daughter very upset, in a way that even the peace of my family is already being tampered with. I call us here as my fellow men in council for us to put our heads together and discuss how are we going to solve this problem.
Your Highness, when the eye weeps, the nose also does. Is our future king and son that is missing with some members of this kingdom. We cannot put our hands to the chest pretending all is well. Let me ask this question. What has the chief priest said about this?
2 days ago when I consulted him on this very topic, he said the gods are silent over the matter.
The gods are silent over this matter? Why?
I don't know.
No, why would the gods be silent over a matter like this? Huh? Our kingdom is in a very bad condition and the gods are silent. What have we done? What have we done wrong that will make the gods not to speak on our behalf?
No.
Uduma, do not be too quick to blame the gods. The drum does not talk unless it is beaten. The cocoyam leaves does not squeak without the ruffles of the hand. Let us go back to Olobo and inquire again and again. Did the gods decide to talk to us?
I agree with the chair, Uku. If the gods are silent, it means that they are angry with this kingdom. We must seek to find out why they are not talking.
Elders in council, I am not going to disagree with what we have decided here. But I need us to understand something. It is not just my son that has gone missing. Some members of this kingdom have equally gone missing. You are not just my subjects. You are my fellow men in council. And it is said that the power of a king is derived from the people. In a situation where the people are in disarray, the king must equally be in disarray. I am feeling that the best way forward is for us to go back to the chief priest.
So shall it be. We will do that.
Patrice.
Mmiri eru eru amaala m ewo nka nta emewala m obi ewo ọkwa gwara ya gwa osibe ọnwụ ewo nka nta emewala m obi ewo amụọla m nwa kuru nwa m ewo egbe nọ n'ufe buru nwa m ewo ọnwụ buru nwa bịa buru m ewo.
My queen, please stop crying. The gods will not permit any evil to befall the Prince of Otundu. Please, my queen.
You said I should stop crying. My son went to visit his in-laws to be for the past 3 days and he is not back. And you said I should stop crying. Hey!
Your Majesty, will the gods not protect their own? The future king of this kingdom. Does the head of a king get lost in a foreign land? They will return.
They will, my queen. If they are well, then why are they not back? My daughter screamed against this. She complained against this union. But we did not listen to her. Now look at me. Look at me.
My queen, I believe they are fine wherever they are. You know how independent the Prince of Otundu can be. Maybe he decided to spend more time with his in-laws. Please, my queen, stop crying.
Seke, you are trying to cheer me up and calm my nerves. But the heart of a mother is deeper than that. Look at my breasts are full and heavy. Look at my breast is full and heavy. My breast is full and heavy.
My queen, they will return.
Hey! Hawa! Mireru amalamo. Kante mewala bobio. Mireru amalamo. Kante mewala bobio. Okwa gwara ya gwa oshimo. Kante mewala bobio. Okwa duru yodu webi we. Kante mewala bobio. Ewo. Akwọla maka tiakio ewo. Ọkụkọ ga n'ụzọ eburu akị mo ewo. Amụọla m nwa kuru nwa m ewo. Egbe nọ n'ufe buru nwa m ewo. Ike ụwa agwụla m ewo. Ọnwụ gburu nwa bịa gburu m ewo.
Kamala, my daughter, will you kill yourself for a man that rejected you for another maiden? Eh? Won't you be grateful that the gods delivered you from his hands?
My father, I wish you know what has happened to the prince of this great kingdom. When I protested, I was laughed upon. You all made jest of me. And you recommended that I saw the menders of the spot's head. I insisted. I said it that she was a spirit. I was laughed to scorn. Now, as the gods of our land not vindicated me, the gods of our land has vindicated me.
My daughter, please pardon our ignorance. We thought it was strange and absurd when you were pointing at spirits in this kingdom. Huh? Osuko.
The prince of this great kingdom has been captured by the hands of the hollow eyes.
Speak. I still find it difficult to believe that in this land of Otund, the spirits ever walked on the land of the living. I can't understand it.
I, Kamala, I will fight for you with everything in me. I will fight for him, and the gods of our land will unite us. I will fight for him, whether in death or alive. I will fight with everything in me. I must fight for my prince.
What is this? Huh? My ancestors. Please, keep my daughter from chasing the wind. Eh? He say,
Ujunna,
Nine.
please take our daughter in. Let her have some rest. Hmm?
Oh,
Please.
So what? Ngwa, let's go.
My daughter, please go in. Go in.
Let's go. Let's go inside. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Take her. Let her rest. Huh? What is this? Huh? What is this?
The river can only drown a man whose feet is stuck in the deep. When a fly becomes too stubborn, it follows the corpse to the grave. The ear that has refused to listen will certainly go with the head when it's cut off.
Chief Priest, we are here on behalf of the king, our king, King Otudun, whose son is missing, and the son is the prince of the kingdom.
The prince is in the hands of the one that are stronger than us. And it is only the ones that are empowered by the gods that can be able to ascertain his whereabouts.
And how can we find those people that you propose?
Appeasements are to be made. Sacrifices must be observed for we to be able to arrange the kind of men that are capable for this task.
And what will these sacrifices take? We do not want to delay in our actions. The king will be ready to do anything to bring his son back to the kingdom.
That is if he is still alive by the time the search team gets to him.
Hey. So, what do we do?
I never wanted to come for this journey, but I was convinced to come. Ghost of our land, is this how my life is going to end? Adaku, have you seen where your evil plans have brought us to?
Please, do not be too angry at me. I was only blinded by jealousy. I'm sorry. Please, forgive me.
Listen. I adjure you all to stop making noise and start thinking on how we are going to live this forest alive.
Alive? Have you seen anybody come out from the land of death alive? Why?
Listen. I am to be blamed with everything that is happening to us in this forest now. My sister warned me. I did not listen to her. Kamala confronted me. I pushed her away. Now look at where my pride has landed me. I was blind by my pride. What do you want from me?
You're paying for your selfishness and pride. One by one, we shall eat and kill all of you.
Chibo!
A white goat, a white cock, 28 kola nuts, 7 alligator pepper, and a calabash of palm oil. All these items will be used to appease the gods for them to reveal to us the whereabouts of the missing persons.
Please, what has come upon us?
Elders, this is not the time to cry or lament, but the time to put the life of the missing persons at heart, to preserve their lives wherever they are.
Elders, you've heard him. We'll go back to the king and intimate him on the outcome of our mission to the shrine of Odugu.
There is a saying that when you are quick to actions, you prevent problems. Emengwangwa, Emegalodachi. Go to the king, relate with him, tell him what I said and the things to be done. There is no time.
Strange things are happening every day, but only the gods knows why it is so. The gods are wiser than human beings. Makabunani mbonya mere wata, koja mani jiji wereze.
You have had them.
If enemy. Be careful of the choice you make. Makamwata soluta nunua. Olianu madoli anu dene.
I cannot go any further. I am weak and dying.
Listen. Strong maiden of our land, do not relent now. I have a strong conviction in my heart that we all are leaving this forest alive.
Are you sure?
Yes, you have to be strong. Huh? What is it? Adako. What is it?
No, not now! You can't die! Not now that you are trying to escape from this place!
Adako!
Adako, she's awake, my prince. She's awake. She's awake.
May the gods be praised. Adako, get up.
Abba, my prince. Since this leaf can revive someone, you need to go and bring more of it for all of us.
Yeah, Ote. Go and bring my prince. Go and bring him.
Let's go.
All right, my prince.
Kuzuma! Do not fear. She's merciful and she will help us.
What do you want from me, Great One?
The merciful one. The man that I love so much. With my heart and everything in me. Has been taken away from me. Please, show me mercy.
Stop. For I understand how it is in your heart. We will help you because you have kept your vows. Come. I will lead you to the entrance of the land of the dead, for you can never find it yourselves.
What is it? What is it? What happened?
The princess is missing from the palace.
What? Where are her maids?
She tricked them and ran away. Your Majesty.
Hey, come here. Come here, come here. Go to the head of the warriors. Tell him what just happened, that the princess tricked her maids and left this palace. Let him find her and bring her back to me.
Yes,
you may leave now.
Hey, Your Majesty. I would die if anything happens to my children.
You're not going to... Listen, do not get yourself agitated.
What will I do? We are saying that the rats bit a man and the lizard has gone to sharpen his teeth. What will I do if I lose 2 children?
Do not be agitated.
Hey.
Don't be agitated. Just calm down. Everything will be all right. Nothing will happen to any of my children. And moreover, the elders left with enough sacrifices to go and appease the gods. Everything will be all right. Can you calm down?
Hey! Hey! Your Majesty. Chamalumu muma. Chamalumu muma. Iyabula meru muma. Omela mo. Chamalumu muma. Chamalumu muma. Iyabula meru muma. Omela mo.
Rise. Be strong.
Hey, I am tired. I am tired. We've been running around in this place for some time now, yet we've not been able to escape. Is it not better we die now than to suffer this much and die later?
Don't say that. Don't say that. See, we have to be strong now. We need to be strong now. We don't have to give up. We don't have to give up. We don't know. Maybe the gods will have pity on us and come and save us.
Kuma, how would the gods save us? If they had the power, they would have done that since. We are finished in this strange land. Che, I was dreaming and desiring to remind my maiden when I return.
My people. Abam,
my prince.
All hope is not lost yet. We just have to be strong for ourselves. I don't know why the gods did not want to punish me for my own sins, instead involving innocent people of my kingdom. Why can't they punish me personally for my own evils? Why involving my people?
My prince, you are not the only guilty one here. Remember, the ways of the gods are not our ways.
We just have to be strong to make it out of this evil forest, dead or alive.
I don't want to die, yo. I don't want to die.
For our land, please come for our rescue. Adaku!
My prince!
Adaku! My prince! My prince! Adaku! My prince!
Ubala, why are you doing this to me? Why can't you go ahead and do what you're supposed to do instead of tormenting my life? Go ahead and kill me, but I want to die. Stop tormenting my life. You can't continue doing this to me. Why are you doing this to me, Ubala?
My prince, I am not unreal. My breath, my flesh, and my scent is real. I am Kamala.
My brother. My only brother. I am Maha, your only younger sister. We have come to live or die with you.
Why? Why? Maha, I ask again, why? Why did both of you decide to risk your lives for us? Maha, why? Why did you decide to add to the heartbreak of the king and our mother? Maha, what are you doing here? Kamala. Kamala, what are you doing here? What are you doing here, Kamala?
I am here to save you because I know the love you have for me is real and genuine. I am here because I know you were tricked and deceived. I am here to fight with you, whether life or death. Because the love I have for you will not let me.
This is not the time to weep and cry. Nkata, this is not the time to weep and cry. It is time to leave this strange land. We must fight our ways through this death-filled land before we all perish.
Remember, in this journey, some would die and some will live. Be mindful of these words as we proceed. Let's go.
Eye of the gods. Good thing you are here, finally. We have been waiting for you. Speak, we are listening.
Your Highness, King Otundu of Dim Otekpa Kingdom. Finally, the gods have spoken. But
what again? Can't you understand we have been waiting for the answers? The kingdom is in disarray as we speak. Everything is not working according to plan. My son and my daughter are missing as we speak. And you came all the way to tell me, bet. Bet what?
Your Highness, how do you want me to express this? What can a messenger who only speaks on the instructions of the gods, what else do you expect from me? I only speak based on the instructions given to me by the gods.
Ezemo, did the gods direct you to come and give birth?
Your Highness, my king, there is a battle raging on the life of your son. But there
Stop! I need you to speak. I have not brought you here to be giving me bets. We don't need that bet. Tell me what the problem is. And tell me how do we solve it.
Your Highness, I am but a messenger in the hands of the gods.
And that is why I want you to speak a word from the gods.
I can only commune what they have told me or instructed me to do.
You need to stop. Go back to your abode. Commune with the gods one more time. Let them tell you what the problem is and find out how we are going to solve the problem. Ezemo, don't come back to me without the solution that I seek. Leave. You cannot continue to come here without answers. Do not come back here without the answers.
King Otundu, the messenger of the gods has helped you.
Is it not clear? Something is wrong with you. Pick it up. Give it back. Nobody will hold me responsible for what I'm going to do next if this man comes back here without giving me the answers that I speak.
I want
want to die. I want to die and go to where my daughter is now. Ujunna, why are you doing this? Why are you turning my day into a night with these hard words of yours? Huh? I am confused. I don't know what to do. Get me my daughter. Oh, that's what you should do. Get me my daughter. Where is my daughter? Where is Kamala, my daughter? What have I done? What have I done? What have I done to be rewarded like this? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Ujunna, do you remember when this child was born? Do you remember what the chief priest said about her? The chief priest also said that she was going to be lost. Did he say that? Did he say that? How are you sure that your child is lost? How? Then where is she? Why is her food left untouched? Why is my daughter's food left untouched? It's alright. I believe she will come back. She's not dead yet. Dimoti pae telebunu no Iyabula mero mumo Amelabo Akwa dinanyamo Iyabula mero mumo Amelabo. Gods of our land, gods of our land, where are you? Where are my children? Bring back my children!
My queen, are you going to continue like this? You have stayed without food or water for the past 3 days. Just crying and sorrowing. My queen, please. My queen, let me serve you even a little morsel of delicacy, so you would gain strength. Please, I don't want you to fall sick.
How can I have appetite? How can I have appetite for food when my children are dead and not even give me the befitting burial? Appetite are for those who have joy in their souls. And muzzle delicacy is for those whose petitions the gods have considered and granted. My heart is as dry as the bed of a visiting stream, and my soul cries in vehemence. I have lost pleasure in the things that pleases the flesh. Let the gods take me and deal with me the way they dealt my offspring.
No, my queen. Do not speak with such loss of hope. I believe the gods will bring them back to you, Your Majesty. Please, yes, my queen.
If wishes were horses, even the beggars will ride in it.
Wait. Who are you? Show yourself, you evil spirit. Do not be a coward.
Now I know how stubborn you are.
We are stubborn with reasons. And you are evil for nothing. Shut your mouth!
Ah! No! I will not allow you to do this to any of us any longer. Ma! Rise! And now you go! Let's go!
Uju! No! Uju! The priest! Uju! Let's go!
We must leave here now. Else we'll die like them. Let's go! Let's leave.
Elders in council. It is already one full moon since my son, my daughter, and other members of this land disappeared with the maiden we thought was a good maiden. The man who is a man can only be identified by the strength of his heart. We are not going to mourn forever. We must have to do what we have to do as men. It is because of that I have lifted this ancient staff of my fathers to decree that we must have to arrange their funerals so that their spirits and their souls will continue to journey on and journey well.
Your Highness, my heart has failed me in believing that we are yet to see our king's men and women who traveled to pay a nuptial visit to our supposed in-laws. But Your Highness will not mourn forever. We will plan their burial so that their souls can be set free.
In 7 market days, the funeral for all of them we hold. I need us to leave now. Go and prepare the people for the funeral.
My heart is broken, oh my husband. I am very weak, my dear husband.
Your Majesty, the King.
How is she faring?
She is traumatized by the losses. And I put some herbs beside her in order to lure her to sleep. For her to rest her muscles.
Will she be able to mend?
I trust the gods. Our chi and our forefathers, she will mend. But she keep asking of her children.
Gods of my ancestors, how do I handle this?
Your Majesty, do not be worried over her state, for she will be fine.
Edu, I am leaving her in your hands.
And the hands of our forefathers. the gods, our chi, I shall return by sunset to know about her welfare. Imakali onye gị na-enye dili bulenyi. Imakali onye gị na-enye dili bulotu. Imakali onye nọ n'esolibire. Imakali onye jela n'ụnụ nweya.
Do not kick against the pricks.
Let us see then. What are you doing? You traitor!
The captives you took are royal captives. You have no right to do this.
And who are you to make that decision?
The noisy chicken that reveals itself to the kite. What can you do? You must leave here immediately before they reinforce. Do not be afraid. Do not look back. I will always be with you. This way. This way.
A lady with muscular power, female tiger that fights with venom's anger against her adversaries.
God!
Your Highness.
I am sure you can see things for yourself.
Yes, Your Highness.
Go to Edum the healer. Ask him to come here immediately. Let him come with everything he needs.
At once, Your Highness.
My beautiful wife, can you come down and listen to me? Stop it. You shouldn't be doing this. I understand. I understand that you are completely devastated. But you should be able to comport yourself. I have sent for the healer. But the healer will not be able to do anything if you refuse to help yourself. Stop this. Come with me. Come with me. Come. People of Otundo. Today is indeed a very sad day. We are gathered here because we don't know what to do anymore. The prince of the land has gone missing. Same with the princess and some members of this kingdom. This is why I invited the chief priest and equally invited the father and the mother of the maiden. A time will always come in the lives of a people when they must have to tell themselves the truth. And the truth here is that they are dead.
My daughter.
And for us to solve this problem, we need to organize a befitting funeral for all of them, so that their spirits will not have any reason to disturb us in the future. As I was saying, I'll be right back.
Otondo nive meranye manaka nyi dibe. Mamlu no bi anamo. Orumromo we kwa warele kwa bu onwe ya. Who are we to question the gods? Do they not do what pleases them? Whatever they plan to do, they do as they plan. Today we have gathered together here to plan for the befitting burial of our lost ones, so that they can be at rest with the spirit of our ancestors.
My daughter.
Otundo.
And who are these ones I am seeing? My son!
Your Majesty.
Hey! My son! My prince! My prince! My daughter! Mother! Hey!
What am I?
My kid's son! My kid's son! Why did you do that? Why did you leave your mother? Why? Why?
God's be praised.
Your Majesty. My king. My queen. Today, I, Kamala, have fulfilled the desires of my heart to make sure to bring the prince back, dead or alive. I may not go home and live in peace.
No, Kamala. I cannot let you go any longer. I was wrong. You were right. Please, I am begging you to forgive my foolishness and stay with me. Please.
You succeeded in addressing us. We have not addressed you. The king has not addressed you. And you feel you can leave? Nobody walks out of the king. There is something happening here. My wife, who was down, has completely become okay just because you came back. I understand what that means. And my son has just made a statement. Look at us. We gathered here to mourn. But the gods of this land decided to transform it into a day of joy. And standing very close to this very spot where my father was buried, I decree that the marriage between you and my son is sealed. In the next 4 days we are going to gather here to start the new process of your lives together as man and wife. And if there is any spirit anywhere that believes they can stop this process, let that spirit fire out, and we are going to rescue you face to face. As I will say,
you are the true son of your father. You are the true representative.
And finally, we have come to the end of a very long process. This is a special day made by the gods, and we are delighted. This is the day, my son. This is the day he is going to start a new life with the maiden given to him by the gods. Yes. I bless this marriage. What the gods have brought together, no man shall put apart. You are going to continue to progress, rising from progress to progress. This union is blessed on Eke Market Day. This union is blessed on Orie Market Day. This union is blessed on Afo Market Day. And this union is blessed on Nkwo Market Day.
She's Kamala, she's fearless, the daughter of Nzenwa the wrestler. She's fearless, she's bold, but she's harmless. Oh, Kamala.